It's example 3, 1-point perspective. So I'm going to start this drawing off by using this front view from the standard order of views. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my line command these corners and create a vanishing point. So I'm going to turn off my, I'll accidentally keep it on. A vanishing point to the top right corner. I'll just connect all these corners here. Okay, next I need to create this plane and that plane right there, and it's going to the line command and creating a horizontal line because it's a width. I'm creating it at a random length, straight through. That's actually going to give me this intersection right here. I'm going to create a height from this intersection straight up to there. So once I hit that line, and I'll come back over to the right and draw a random distance line just like that. Next I'm going to draw in this vertical line right here, this height line. This is pretty much a sketch, so I'm going to just sketch this in. And you can see that that plane is starting to develop right there. So now I'll just trim it back by grabbing onto the grips and trimming that up. I'm going to leave this line in for reference. Okay, now once I have that, I'm going to hook onto these corners here, go to the vanishing point, and I'm actually creating this depth line and that depth line right there. And one of the final pieces for this side view, we'll be drawing in this vertical back edge line right here. And I can trim this bottom corner up. And then take this line here and go to that intersection. That gives me this back edge here. Alright, so line command again from the end point. We're going to go straight across. Now I need a second reference line from here to help me with that front edge, so I'm going to hook onto there and create that line. See right there. Now here's the tricky part. We need to go from this end point to the vanishing point so that this intersection right here straight up will give us this front plane. So at this intersection I go straight up here to that intersection. And this intersection that I have right here, that becomes this line and this line's intersection. Now it's left just to go here. So undo that. Zoom in where that intersection is. It's a little messy, so I'll clean it up. You can see I'm working on this area right here. I can remove this back to there. Can now hook onto this point, which is right here. Go to that vanishing point. And now it's just basically trimming lines up. Delete this one. Trim, that trim. Go to my home tab, modify tool panel, trim that one away. use the grip, you can use it this way as well. Just grab onto that vanishing point and pull it back. Alright, and then last, just have to trim this up. There you go. Example 3, 1-point perspective.